हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ट्रिक्स जी के अड्डा। आज के इस वीडियो में हिस्ट्री के कुछ चैप्टर आप लोगों को कराने वाली हूँ। एनसीईआरटी सार संग्रह इंग्लिश, महेश कुमार वर्णवाल की बुक, जो कि 6 से लेकर 12 तक के इसमें क्वेश्चन है। और जो चैप्टर मैं आज आप लोगों को कराऊंगी वहाँ से क्वेश्चन 100% एग्जाम में आते हैं और बहुत अच्छी बुक है। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट आपका क्वेश्चन है, हु स्टेबलाइज्ड इन इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस इज 1885। 1885 में भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस की स्थापना किसके द्वारा हुई है? ए ओ ह्यूम के द्वारा। अब देखो, हिंदी में मुझे नहीं लगता बोलने की ज़रूरत है, बिकॉज इंग्लिश हिंदी वालों के लिए हिंदी भी करा देंगे, इंग्लिश वालों के लिए इंग्लिश में। व्हेन वाज द फर्स्ट सेशन ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस कंडक्टेड? 28 दिसंबर 1885। एंड पीडीएफ चाहिए तो टेलीग्राम ज्वाइन करेंगे, बट आपका जो टेलीग्राम में पीडीएफ है वो आपको फाइनली लास्ट में मिलेगा जब आपका ये सब्जेक्ट कवर हो जाएंगे। ये नहीं कि ग्रुप आपने ज्वाइन किया बाद में आपको पीडीएफ नहीं मिली तो लेफ्ट। आप लोगों को पीडीएफ मिलेगा, बट आपका जो सब्जेक्ट है वो पूरा होने के बाद। हु वॉज द फर्स्ट चेयरमैन ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस? रमेश चंद्र बैनर्जी, WC बैनर्जी। The first session of Congress was supposedly to be held in Pune, but due to the spread of bubonic plague in Pune, the session was shifted to Bombay. भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस का जो फर्स्ट अधिवेशन होना था वो पुणे में होना था, बट पुणे में बीमारी फ्लेग फैल गया था, प्लेग, तो उस वजह से इसे क्या करना पड़ा, वहाँ से हटाकर मुंबई में करना पड़ा था। दैट इज़, उस टाइम पे जो बॉम्बे था ना, उसे अभी क्या कहते हैं, मुंबई। मुंबई को दैट टाइम पे क्या कहते थे, बॉम्बे कहते थे। इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स। फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट WC बैनर्जी, फर्स्ट चेयरमैन और प्रेसिडेंट एक ही चीज़ है। WC बैनर्जी, रमेश चंद्र बैनर्जी 1885, and first Muslim president Badruddin Tebji 1887, and first European president George Euler 1888, and first women president Annie Besant 1917, and first Indian women president or chairman Sarojini Naidu 1925. Who said that the Congress movements are neither inspired by the public nor planned by them? है ना, कांग्रेस आंदोलन न तो लोगों के द्वारा प्रेरित था, न ही उनके द्वारा सोचा या योजनाबद्ध किया गया। किसने कहा था? सर सैयद अहमद खान। हु वॉज द चेयरमैन ऑफ द सेकेंड सेशन ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस? दादा भाई नेहरू जी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप लोगों का है बेटा यहाँ पर, हु सेड दैट द कांग्रेस इज tottering to its fall and one of the great ambition while in India is the asset in its peaceful demise? किसने कहा था कांग्रेस पतन के लिए लड़खड़ा रही है? मेरी सबसे बड़ी अभिलाषा जब तक मैं भारत में हूँ कांग्रेस की शांतिपूर्ण समाप्ति में सहयोग करना। लॉर्ड कर्जन 1900। सुरेंद्रनाथ बैनर्जी वॉज नॉट प्रेजेंट इन द फर्स्ट सेशन, स्टेबलाइजिंग सेशन में वो उपस्थित नहीं थे ऑफ द कांग्रेस। जब कांग्रेस का गठन हुआ था फर्स्ट सेशन, उस टाइम पे सुरेंद्र बैनर्जी इसका हिस्सा नहीं थे। विच वॉज द ओनली कांग्रेस सेशन टू बी प्रेसिडेड बाय महात्मा गांधी इन 1924। महात्मा गांधी जी के द्वारा जो है 1924 के अधिवेशन में महात्मा गांधी द्वारा एक बार अध्यक्षता की गई है, वो है बेलगाम सेशन, कर्नाटका। हु वॉज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द हरिपुरा कांग्रेस सेशन इन 1938? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, हरिपुरा अधिवेशन में अध्यक्षता 1938 में सुभाष चंद्र बोस ने की। हु वॉज अपॉइंटेड द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द कांग्रेस आफ्टर सुभाष चंद्र बोस रिजाइन इन 1939? डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद। Who gave the theory of safety valve? सेफ्टी वॉल्व का सिद्धांत किसने दिया? इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कांग्रेस। सो इसके फॉर्मेशन, इसके निर्माण के लिए सुझाव सेफ्टी वॉल्व का सिद्धांत दिया था लाला लाजपत राय 1916 में। एंड हु डिमांडेड स्वराज एज द नेशनल गोल फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम? दादा भाई नेहरू जी। And who was the Viceroy of India during the formation of Congress? Lord Dufferin. And who referred to Congress as representative of a microscopic minority सूक्ष्मदर्शी अल्पसंख्यक जनता जो होती है ना, उसका प्रतिनिधित्व बताते हुए उसका मजाक किसने उड़ाया था? तो लॉर्ड डफरिन ने। किसने? लॉर्ड डफरिन। इनिशियली द नेम ऑफ इंडियन, प्रारंभ में जो आपकी इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस थी वॉज इंडियन नेशनल यूनियन, बट द एडवाइस ऑफ दादा भाई नेहरू इट वॉज चेंज टू इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस। स्टार्टिंग में इसका नाम क्या था? आपको ध्यान रखना है, भारतीय राष्ट्रीय संघ था। बाद में दादा भाई नेहरू जी ने सुझाव दिया और उनके कहने पर ही भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस हुआ। हु ब्लेम द इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस फॉर द पॉलिसी ऑफ प्रेयर्स एंड petition. So correct, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Which leader in that group of Lal, Bal and Pal was made the chairman of Indian National Congress? So correct answer, Lala Lajpat Rai. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was never appointed as the president of Indian National Congress. पूछा जाता है कौन अपॉइंट नहीं हुआ? The Surat split of 1907 happened due to issue over his and रास बिहारी घोष प्रेसिडेंसी। तो ये ध्यान रखना है। एंड नेक्स्ट, इन विच कांग्रेस सेशन डिड तिलक एक्सप्रेस्ड स्वराज इज माय ब्राइट राइट इन बर्थ राइट एंड आई शैल हैव इट। तो ध्यान रखना है, भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस के किस अधिवेशन में बाल गंगाधर तिलक ने अभिव्यक्त किया या कहा कि स्वराज मेरा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है और इसे मैं लेकर रहूंगा? स्वराज इज माय बर्थ राइट एंड आई शैल हैव इट, लखनऊ सेशन 1916। एंड नेक्स्ट आपको ध्यान रखना है, कादम्बिनी गांगुली फर्स्ट फीमेल फिजिशियंस ऑफ इंडियन एड्रेस्ड 1890 कांग्रेस सेशन। वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। एंड नेक्स्ट यहाँ पर आपको ध्यान रखना है, Marxist historians opinion the establishment of INC Indian National Congress was the result of conspiracy involving British and Indian capitalist class. Who was the president of the Indian National Congress at the time of independence? Acharya J.P. Kripalani. In which session a pact was signed between the Indian National Congress and Muslim League? Lucknow session 1916. Who was the president of the Indian National Congress for 6 years continuously? Correct answer, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad 1940 to 46. Tilak referred to annual Congress session as frog croaking session, यानी कि हाँ, यदि हम मेढक की तरह वर्ष में केवल एक बार टर्राएंगे तो भारतीयों को कोई सफलता नहीं मिलेगी। ये किसने कहा था? आपको ध्यान रखना है, बाल गंगाधर तिलक। रिवॉल्यूशनरी एक्टिविटीज इन इंडिया व्हेन वाज किंग्सफोर्ड्स मर्डर अटेम्प्ट 1908। ये आपका जो किंग्सफोर्ड की हत्या हुई थी ना, किंग्सफोर्ड की हत्या का प्रयास हुआ था, ये किया गया था, अटेम्प्ट हुआ था, ये 1908 में मुजफ्फरपुर में हुआ। कहाँ? मुजफ्फरपुर। वॉज द फाउंडर ऑफ अनुशीलन समिति और कमिटी से बोल सकते हैं। सो करेक्ट, पी मित्रा, प्रथम नाथ मिश्रा या मित्रा दोनों ध्यान रखना है। मार्च 1902। Who gave the theory of passive revolt, यानी कि निष्क्रिय विरोध के जो आपका सिद्धांत है वो किसने दिया था? अरबिंदो घोष। Which revolutionary was hanged to death in Gorakhpur jail? So correct, Ram Prasad Bismil. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru were hanged to death, very important, on 23rd March 1931 for Lahore conspiracy case involving shooting of जॉन सैंडर्स। ब्रिटिश पुलिस ऑफिसर था जॉन सैंडर्स इसकी हत्या के जुर्म में। एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डेट, व्हेन वाज हिंदुस्तान रिपब्लिकन एसोसिएशन एस्टेब्लिश्ड? 1924 एट कानपुर में किया गया था। हु वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ अभिनव भारत ए सेक्रेट सोसाइटी? सो करेक्ट आंसर, वीडी सावरकर। Who defended Arvindo Ghosh in अलीपुर कॉन्स्पिरेंसी? अलीपुर षड्यंत्र में किसने जो है डिफीट किया था अरविंदो घोष को? करेक्ट आंसर चित्तरंजन दास. वॉज द लीडर ऑफ युगांतर पार्टी जतीन्द्रनाथ मुखर्जी. इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस कमेटी वॉज फाउंडेड बाय वीरेंद्रनाथ चट्टोपाध्याय with headquarters at Berlin, Germany. Capital of Germany, Berlin. In which case was Jatin Das arrested? लाहौर कॉन्स्पिरेंसी केस, लाहौर षड्यंत्र केस. Which freedom fighter died for the first time due to hunger strike in jail? जतिन दास. 63 days of hunger strike. नेक्स्ट आप यहाँ पर देखेंगे बेटा, नेक्स्ट है हु फाउंडेड इंडियन रिपब्लिकन आर्मी? करेक्ट आंसर सूर्य सेन. हु ऑर्गेनाइज्ड चिटगांव आर्मरी रेड? चटगांव सशस्त्रगार पर धावा जो है किसने किया था? सूर्य सेन ने किया था. Who was hanged to death in Kakori conspiracy case? Ram Prasad Bismil. In which year was Kakori conspiracy case held? 1924. Hindustan Socialist Republican Association was formed by Chandrasekhar Azad and Bhagat Singh in Delhi 1928. And next, who established Mitra Mela? V.D. Savarkar. Who was against the Lucknow Pact in 1916? Madan Mohan Malvi. Who fired on the English governor during her convocation while talking her degree? Beena Das. वह महिला क्रांतिकारी जिसने दीक्षांत समारोह में अपनी उपाधि ग्रहण करते समय अंग्रेज गवर्नर पर गोली चलाई थी, वो है बीना दास. इंडियन रिवॉल्यूशनरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ईयर ऑफ एस्टेब्लिश्ड एंड फाउंडर? मित्रा मेला 1903. विनायक वीडी विनायक दामोदर सावरकर गणेश. वीडी सावरकर गणेश सावरकर. वीडी फुल फॉर्म विनायक दामोदर सावरकर एंड गणेश सावरकर. भारत माता सोसाइटी भारत माता सोसाइटी स्टेबलाइज्ड 1904. अजीत सिंह एंड अंबा प्रसाद. ढाका अनुशीलन समिति 1904. पी मित्रा प्रथम नाथ मित्रा एंड पुलिन दास. अभिनव भारत 1904 established and वीडी सावरकर विनायक दामोदर सावरकर फाउंडर. अनुशीलन समिति कोलकाता 1907. वरिंद्र कुमार घोष, जतीन्द्र नाथ बैनर्जी एंड प्रबोध मित्रा, पुलिन दास एंड सतीश चंद्र बोस. नेक्स्ट आप लोगों का था युगांतर अंजुमाने मोही बाने वतन 1907. वीके घोष, भूपेंद्र नाथ दत्त एंड अजीत सिंह. हिंदुस्तान रिपब्लिक एसोसिएशन वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट 1924. सचिंद्र नाथ सान्याल, राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल, योगेश चंद्र चैटर्जी. पंजाब नौजवान भारत सभा established 1926. भगत सिंह फाउंडर. एंड हिंदुस्तान सोशलिस्ट रिपब्लिकन एसोसिएशन HRA वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट 1928. भगत सिंह एंड आज़ाद, चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद एंड SN सान्याल एंड सुखदेव. इन 4 लोगों ने इसे स्टेबलाइज किया था. HRA Hindustan Socialist Republican Association was associated with Kakori case while Listen. Hindustan Republican Association was established with Kakori case while HSRA Hindustan Socialist Republic Association full form with Lahore conspiracy case. It's very very important. Next, ये तो था बेटा इंडिया के अंदर आपका रिवॉल्यूशनरी एक्टिविटीज़ थी एंड इंडिया के बाहर रिवॉल्यूशनरीज एक्टिविटीज़ आउटसाइड इंडिया, इंडिया के बाहर की गतिविधियाँ. Where was the Indian Home Rule Society established by Shyamji Krishna Verma in 1905? London. Was the first woman to unfurl the national flag Madam Bhikaji Kama? Madam Bhikaji Kama, who is known as the mother of Indian revolutions, भिकाजी रुस्तम कामा, और इन्हीं को मैडम कामा भी कहते हैं. Where did an interim government was founded after the First World War, in which Raja Mahendra Pratap became the president? Afghanistan. Who shot dead to former Lieutenant Governor of Punjab, Dyer, on 13 March 1940? Sardar Udham Singh. Indian Home Rule Society was founded by Shivaji Krishna Verma, London. Who established Independence League? Rash Bihari Bose, very important. Revolutionary organization around the world. इंडियन होम रूल सोसाइटी 1905 इन वर्ल्ड की बात हो रही है. श्यामजी कृष्ण वर्मा ने विश्व में करा था इसे. नेक्स्ट, इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस लीग 1907, तारकनाथ दास स्टेबलाइज इनके फाउंडर. गदर पार्टी 1913, गदर पार्टी 1913. एंड लाला हृदयलाल भाई, परमानंद सोहन सिंह भाखना 1913. हिंद एसोसिएशन 1913, सोहन सिंह भाखाना. इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस लीग 1915, राजा महेंद्र प्रताप. आज़ाद हिंद फौज, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, रास बिहारी बोस, फाउंडर 1942. इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस लीग 1942, रास बिहारी बोस. Next, which revolutionary was associated with the murder of Colin Wiley in 1909? वाइली. कर्नल वाइली हत्याकांड कौन सा क्रांतिकारी था भाई? उसमें याद रखना है मदन लाल धीगरा. From where did Lala Hridayalal started the Ghadar movement in 1913? So very important is San Francisco, USA, United States of America. The incident of Kamagata Maru, Kamagata Maru is related to which country? Canada, 23rd May 1914. And personalities associated with the revolutionary activities: Damodar Chapekar and Balkrishna Chapekar, लेफ्टिनेंट एमहर्स्ट एंड रैंड की इन्होंने क्या करी थी? एसेसिनेशन, यानी कि पूना में इन्होंने हत्या करी थी. कब? 1897 में इन्होंने. एंड नेक्स्ट, विनायक दामोदर सावरकर एस्टेब्लाइज्ड अभिनव भारत इन 1904. एंड महाराष्ट्र में तभी इन्होंने क्या करा था? 1899 में इन्होंने महाराष्ट्र में ही मित्र मेला भी स्टेबलाइज किया था. पुलिनदास इन्होंने क्या करा था? पुलिनदास ने ढाका फाउंडेड अनुसूलन समिति एट ढाका 1902. श्यामजी कृष्ण वर्मा एंड मदन लाल धिंगरा established home rule society at London, very very important. Prafulla Chaki and Khudiram Bose threw bomb at Judge Kingsford at Muzaffarnagar. Ras Bihari Bose threw bomb at Lord Harding 1912. Lala Hridayalal and Sohan Singh Bhakhana established Ghadar Party at San Francisco, United States of America. Very important. San Francisco 1913 and कामागाटा मारू कांड 1914 कनाडा में हुआ था. एंड राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल हिंदुस्तान रिपब्लिक एसोसिएशन 1924 एंड काकोरी कॉन्स्पिरेंसी 1924, राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल. एंड सूर्यसेन चिटगांव आर्मोरियर रेड 1913. एंड नेक्स्ट आपका है चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद हिंदुस्तान सोशलिस्ट रिपब्लिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन 1928. भगत सिंह एजिनेटिंग सैंडर्स 1928, सैंडर्स की हत्या. सैंडर्स सेंट्रल लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली बॉम्बिंग 8 अप्रैल 1929. एंड पंजाब नौजवान भारत सभा ऑल्सो स्टेबलाइज्ड 1928 बाय दी भगत सिंह. एंड राजगुरु असैसिनेशन ऑफ सैंडर्स 1928, सैंडर्स की हत्या राजगुरु. एंड Batukeshwar Dutt, Central Legislative Assembly bombing 1929. Jatin Das Bagha Jatin and died after 63 days of hunger strike in prison 1929. And Udham Singh assassination of Michael O'Dwyer in London. Gadar newspaper was published in North America by Indian revolutionaries revolutionaries in गुजरात, उर्दू, मराठी एंड हिंदू, है ना। तो ये आपको ध्यान रखना है। नेक्स्ट, पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल एंड स्वदेशी मूवमेंट, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। हिस्ट्री के इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर में आप लोगों को करा रही हूँ। एक बार सभी लोग वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर जरूर कीजिए। So first question, during his tenure, which viceroy did the partition of Bengal happen? Lord Curzon. From which date was Bengal partition affected? 16 October 1905. The partition of Bengal was announced 20 July 1905 on 5 August 1905 with the passage of the boycott resolution. In a massive meeting held in the Calcutta town hall, the formal proclamation of Swadeshi movement was made. 20 जुलाई 1905 को बंगाल विभाजन के निर्णय की घोषणा होती है, जिसके विरोध में 7 अगस्त 1905 को कलकत्ता में टाउन हॉल में स्वदेशी आंदोलन आरंभ होता है और इस आंदोलन में जो है ऐतिहासिक बहिष्कार प्रस्ताव स्वीकार होता है। What was the major objective of partition of Bengal? To weaken Bengal, the never center of Indian nationalism. बंगाली राष्ट्रवाद की भावना को दुर्बल करने। The Swadeshi movement of 1905 did not garner much support from the farmers and Muslims. तो याद रखना है, कृषक और मुसलमान का विशेष समर्थन इसमें प्राप्त नहीं हुआ था। 1905 का जो स्वदेशी मूवमेंट हुआ वो स्टेबलाइज इंडियन सोसाइटी ऑफ ओरिएंटल आर्ट ऑफ द रिवाइवल ऑफ ट्रेडिशनल इंडियन एक्ट। अभिन बताओ भाई, अवनींद्र नाथ टैगोर। What was the immediate cause of the Swadeshi movement? Partition of Bengal by Lord Curzon. The idea of boycott of British goods was first given by Krishna Kumar Mitra, who was the publisher of Bengali magazine Sanjeevani in 1905. स्वदेशी बांधव समिति की स्थापना किसने की? सो करेक्ट आंसर यहाँ पर ध्यान रखना है, किसने किया था? कृष्ण कुमार मित्रा ने। कृष्ण कुमार मित्रा इज करेक्ट आंसर। Who was the founder of Swadeshi Bandhav Committee? So very important, Ashwini Kumar Dutt. And next, Amar Sonar Bangla, the national anthem of present day Bangladesh, was composed by Rabindranath Tagore, which was sung by huge crowds during Swadeshi movement. Partition of Bengal, West Bengal and East Bengal. West Bengal, Bengal plus Bihar plus Odisha, Hindu majority region, Bengal plus Bihar plus Odisha, and East Bengal plus Assam plus Muslim majority region. Next, during which moment Vande Matram became the theme song of the movement, Swadeshi movement. Who was the leader of the movement against the partition of Bengal? Surendranath Banerjee, who was the leader of Swadeshi movement in Delhi. So very important, Sayyid Haider Raza, who was the leader of Swadeshi movement in Mumbai. Chidambaram Pillai. In which year was the policy of boycott of British goods formally accepted as a national policy? 1905. And with which movement was the British journalist H.W. Nevinson associated Swadeshi movement? And next, who was the president of the Banaras Congress session of 1905? In which Swadeshi movement was accepted? Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Who was established Bengal chemical stores during Swadeshi movement? Prafulla Chandra Roy. The partition of Bengal by Lord Curzon in 1905 was unveiled by Lord Harding in 1911। वर्ष 1911 में लॉर्ड हार्डिंग के कार्यकाल में रद्द कर दिया गया था, ये याद रखना है। Next, who was a critic of Swadeshi movement and a proponent of better relation between East and West, Rabindranath Tagore, who was the Lieutenant Governor of Bengal during the partition of Bengal, Sir Andrew Fraser, who was the editor of the magazine The Bengal, which was affected in the promotion of Swadeshi movement. So correct answer Surendra Nath Banerjee. On 16 October 1905, the day of partition was observed as a day of mourning throughout Bengal. People fasted, bathed in the Ganga, and walked barefoot in processing, singing Vande Mataram. People tied Rakhis on the hand of each other, a symbol of unity. 16 अक्टूबर 1905 को बंगाल में शोक दिवस मनाया गया और रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर के सुझाव पर पूरे बंगाल में इस दिन को राखी दिवस के रूप में मनाया गया। And Bengal united is a power, Bengal divided will pull in several different ways, H.S. Risley, Home Secretary 1904। So ध्यान रखना है, on the basis of the recommendation of Arundale Committee, Bengal was united again and Delhi was made the capital of India. Next, Muslim League and Marley Minto reforms. A very important. Who established All Indian Muslim League? Aga Khan, Nawab Salimullah, Muhammad Ali Jinnah at Dhaka 1906. So All Indian Muslim League established in 1906 at Dhaka. किस किस के द्वारा स्टेबलाइज की गई थी? आगा खान, नवाब सलीमुल्लाह एंड मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना। Was the first president of the Muslim League Aga Khan, and where was the session of Muslim League held in 1907? Karachi. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, alumni of Cambridge University, in a pamphlet titled Now or Never, Are We to Live or Prize Forever in 1913, Purpose Pakistan in 1934. He met Muhammad Ali Jinnah and presented his idea. Jinnah for the first time advocated for Pakistan at Lahore session of Muslim League in March 1940. Who said that by making separate selection we are sowing such a deadly seeds whose fruits would be very bitter? So याद रखना है, वाशराय लॉर्ड मिंटो ने ये कहा था। Next, which act had the provisions of appointing Indian member in the executive of Governor General? Morley Minto Reforms Act 1909. Who was the first Indian to be appointed into the executive of the Governor General? Satyendranath Sinha. Satyendranath Sinha became the governor of Bihar and Orissa. He was the only Indian to reach the highest post of the higher legislature. Very, very, very important question. And next, friends, leader of representative Congress groups, Dada Bhai Nehruji, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Surendranath Banerjee, Vipin Chandrapal, Firoz Shah Mehta, Lala Lajpat Rai, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and Arvindo Ghosh. Who credit Congress will playing politics of prayers and petitions? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who called Bal Gangadhar Tilak as the father of the Indian unrest, यानी कि आपको दिया अशांति का जनक, तो याद रखना है वैलेंटाइन सिरोल ने कहा था। Which freedom fighter was given 6-year imprisonment in 1908? 6 वर्ष का कारावास बाल गंगाधर तिलक को दिया गया। What did the extremist thought meant during the initial face of independence struggle, use of aggressive method in place if prayers petition and constitutions agitation, यानी कि भारत के स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन के प्रारंभिक दौर में उग्रवादी विचारधारा से क्या आशय था? संवैधानिक साधन और याचिकाओं के स्थान पर आक्रामक साधनों साधनों से क्या करना? स्वशासन प्राप्त करना। So next, in which session did the Muslim League demanded separate election for Muslim? Amritsar session 1908. All Indian Muslim League session. First session 1906 Dhaka, second session 1907 Karachi, and third session 1908 Amritsar. Very, very important all session. In whose presidency was the first branch of Muslim League established in London? So very important, Amir Ali. What is the other name of Indian Council Act of 1919? Minto Marley reforms. Separate selection for Muslim was established by the which act? Indian Council Act 1919 or Minto Marley reforms 1919 1909. And the next, which kind of representation was given the Indian Council Act of 1909? Communal representation. And the Minto Morley reform of 1909 accepted the concept of separate elections. This is known as the beginning of the two nations story. Very important. And Sir लियोनेल कार्टेस इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ ड्यूल गवर्नमेंट, बंगाल की द्वैध शासन का जनक इसे कहते हैं. रॉबर्ट क्लाइव इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ ड्यूल गवर्नमेंट इन बंगाल. द्वैध शासन का जनक जो है सर लियोनेल कार्टिस को कहते हैं, जबकि बंगाल का द्वैध शासन जो है रॉबर्ट क्लाइव को कहते हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट, Delhi Darbars, first Delhi Darbars 1877, Lord Lytton Viceroy, and second Delhi Darbars 1903, Lord Curzon, and third Delhi Darbar 1911, Lord Hardinge. Next, Home Rule League movement. Lucknow session 1916 of Congress is related to pact between Congress and Muslim. Pact between Congress and Muslim. Who was the president of the Lucknow session of Indian National Congress in 1916? Ambika Charan Mazumdar. In which session did the moderates and extremists reconcile after Surat split? Lucknow session. Who was the chief architect in the recognition of moderates and extremists? Ugra, Udarwadi or Annie Besant. Right answer, Annie Besant. Who reconciled between Muslim League and Congress in 1916? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Sarojini Naidu called Jinnah an ambassador of unity for his role in unfreeing unfreeing Congress and League. Next, Home Rule movement. The word Home Rule is of Irish origin. The word refer to self-rule. Home Rule League was established by Redmond. Lord Chelmsford was the viceroy in 1916 when Home Rule movement was undertaken in India. Home Rule movement, Tilak's Home Rules and Annie Besant Home Rules. Tilak, April 1916, 1916 April, and Annie Besant rule Home Rule League September 1916. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड तिलक का हम देख लेते हैं. सबसे पहले तिलक होम रूल महाराष्ट्र कर्नाटका, हेडक्वार्टर बेलगांव कर्नाटका, एंड कमिटी इन नेचर हेड एनसी केलकर एंड जोसेफ बैप्टिस्ट. एंड एम यानी कि ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या था? स्वराज एज ब्रिटिश, स्वराज एट स्वराज एज बर्थ राइट यानी कि जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार, एंड जर्नल्स मराठा एंड केशरी, एंड एनी बेसेंट होम रूल्स September 1916, region Madras and Tamil Nadu, headquarter Adyar Madras, Pan India in Nature, and George Arundle क्या थे सचिव, एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव इसका स्टेबलाइज ऑफ सेल्फ रूल जर्नल्स कॉमनवेल्थ एंड न्यू इंडिया। सो ये आप लोगों ने देखा है, पूरा चार्ट आपको याद रखना है। विच डिसीजन टेकन बाय कांग्रेस इज 1916 हैड मेजर फॉर रीचिंग रिजल्ट, acceptance for of the demand of separate electorates by Muslim, पृथक निर्वाचन क्षेत्र की मांग को स्वीकार किया। Who called मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना as the messenger of Hindu Muslim unity, Sarojini Naidu. Madan Mohan Malviya was not a support of the pact between Muslim League and the Congress. From where was the concept of Home Rule League taken Ireland? Very important. Which movement became famous in India after the First World War? Home Rule movement. In which year was the branches of Annie Besant and Tilak Home Rule integrated? 1918. Next, who established Home Rule League in America in 1915? Lala Lajpat Rai. Annie Besant, along with her companion B.P. Wadia and George Arundel, was arrested in June 1917 as a symbol of defiance. S. Subramaniam Iyer returned his knighthood. The Home Rule agitation was later joined by Motilal Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, Vallabh Desai, and Chitranjan Das, Madan Mohan Malviya, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Tez Bahadur Sapru, and Lala Lajpat Rai. Annie Besant की होम रूल के साथ ये लोग जुड़े हुए थे, and Tilak set up his home rule league in April 1916, very important, and Annie Besant September 1916. It was restricted to Maharashtra, excluding Bombay, Karnataka, Central Province, and Berar. Annie Besant set up her league in September 1916 in Madras and covered in the rest of India, included Bombay. From the medium of which weekly magazine did Annie Besant demanded self-government, commonweal, and तिलक तिलक ने किसको यहाँ पर डिसाइड किया था? मराठा एंड केशरी, एंड हु सजेस्टेड फैबिन मोमेंट? एनी बेसेंट. एंड नेक्स्ट, on 2nd January 1916, Indian Home Rule League was established at London with D. Graham Poll as General Secretary. Next, Trade Union and Communist Party, very important. Who established first Trade Union of India, Bombay Mills Hands in 1890? N. M. Lokhande. And who established Ahmedabad Textile Labor Association in 1918? Mahatma Gandhi. B.P. Wadia, an associate of Annie Besant, formed the Madras Labor Union of Textile Worker at the Madras in 1990. And when was the All India Trade Union Congress established? 1920, Bombay. And who was the founder of All Indian Trade Union Congress? N.M. Joshi. Lala Lajpat Rai became the first president of All India Trade Union Congress. Who was the chairman of the All Indian Trade Union Congress session at Nagpur 1929? Jawaharlal Nehru. First Labor Day was celebrated on 1st May 1927, which was a sign of increasing political conscience of the workers. Very important. राजनीतिक चेतना का सूचक था. Who was the first Indian to become the member of Communist International? Manvendranath Rai. And next, in which year was the Communist Party of India established in Tashkent with the support of M.N. Roy, 17 October 1920. Where was the first communist conference held? Kanpur, 26 December 1925. Against which political leader was the Kanpur conspiracy case held? Communist movement, who established the Radical Democratic Party in 1940, M.N. Roy, who is the founder of Revolutionary Communist Party 1934. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जल्दी से आंसर कीजिए. सोमेंद्र नाथ टैगोर. एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु स्टेबलाइज द इंडियन बोल्सेविक पार्टी 1939? एन दत्ता मजूमदार. And that Mazumdar. And who was the chairman of All Indian Trade Union Congress session at Nagpur 1929? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first chairman of Indian National Trade Union Congress established in May 1947? Vallabhbhai Patel. In which year was the Communist International established? Russia, March 1990. एक बार सभी बच्चे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर कर दो जल्दी से. During 1923 to 1940, Workmen Compensation Act 1923, Trade Union Act 1926, Trade Dispute Act 1929, and Payment of Wages Act 1926 were passed in India. Very, very important, all act. So major commissions formed in British India. पहले commission देखते हैं, फिर act देखेंगे. Governor General and subject. So first, Fraser Commission 1902 established Lord Curzon Governor General and police reforms related. Hunter Commission 1919, very important, Lord Chelmsford, Punjab unrest. Butler Commission 1919, Lord Irwin, Indian province. And next, Lynn Lithgow Commission 1927, Lord Irwin, land reform. And Maxwell Bloomfield Commission 1928, Lord Irwin, Bardoli movement. And Hitley आयोग, W साइलेंट रहता है. Hitley Commission 1929, Irwin, Governor General and related labor reforms. Sabru Commission, सप्रू होगा, ही क्या होगा, सप्रूपी होगा. सप्रू कमीशन 1935 एस्टेब्लाइज. एंड विलिंगटन, लॉर्ड विलिंगटन गवर्नर एंड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट से रिलेटेड था. एंड नेक्स्ट क्लाइड होगा बेटा, ये फ्लाउड, और आप यहाँ पर देख लेना क्लाउड होगा, क्लाइड होगा वैसे, क्लाइड आप इसे सही कर लेना, क्लाइड. लिनलिथ को गवर्नर एंड तेभागा मोमेंट से रिलेटेड है. And major factories act. So factories acts and Governor General. Factory Act 1881, Lord Ripon. Factory Act 1891, Lord Lansdowne. Factory Act 1911, Lord Harding II. And Factory Act 1922, Lord Reading. Factory Act 1934, Lord Wellington. And Factory Act 1944, Lord Wavell. Hitley Commission was constituted for reforms in the condition of industrial works and labor in the gardens. Next, Gandhi and his early moments. So यहाँ पर शुरू हो जाए भाई गांधी जी के बारे में. एक शॉर्ट फॉर्म में जाने के लिए क्या करना है, रेडी होना है. सो इंट्रोडक्शन यहाँ पर है. नेम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी, फुल नेम. एंड फादर करमचंद गांधी. डेट ऑफ बर्थ 2 October 1869. डेथ 30 जनवरी 1948, प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ पोरबंदर गुजरात, ईयर ऑफ मैरिज 1883, स्पाउस यानी कि वाइफ कस्तूरबा गांधी, सन्स हरिलाल, मनीलाल, रामदास, देवदास, हिज पॉलिटिकल गुरु गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले, प्रोमिनेंट डिसिपल्स। तो यहाँ पर ध्यान रखना है इनके जो शिष्य थे वो कौन थे। यहाँ पर मैडलिन स्लेड थे, मैडलिन स्लेड, बॉर्न इन इंग्लैंड, बेटर नोन ए मीरा बेन, है ना। इंग्लैंड में जन्मी मीरा बेन, महात्मा गांधी द्वारा प्रदत्त नाम था मीरा, एंड इनका जो रियल नेम है वो है मैडलिन स्लेड, एंड नेम गिवन बाय गांधी, गांधी जी ने इन्हें दिया था खुद मीरा बेन। प्रोफेशनल क्या है इनका, लॉयर, ब्रिटिशर थे ये। और नेक्स्ट आपको ध्यान रखना है, पहले इनके बारे में देखते हैं। वेंट टू इंग्लैंड 1888, कहाँ गए थे ये, इंग्लैंड गए थे, मुंबई से। डिग्री इन 1891 में इन्हें डिग्री मिली थी कानून बैरिस्टर की। स्टेबलाइज ऑफ द नटाल कांग्रेस इन साउथ अफ्रीका, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो 1894 में इन्होंने दक्षिण अफ्रीका में नटाल कांग्रेस की स्थापना की। टाइटल ऑफ केशर ए हिंद, क्या केशर ए हिंद की उपाधि इन्हें कब मिली थी, 9 जनवरी। कब मिली थी इनको केशर ए हिंद की उपाधि, तो ध्यान रखना है कब मिला था बेटा, आफ्टर आफ्टर बोयर वॉर, 9 जनवरी 1915 में। फर्स्ट पार्टिसिपेशन इन ए कांग्रेस सेशन 1901 एट कोलकाता, सेशन ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस। स्टेबलाइज ऑफ फोनिक्स आश्रम इन डरबन साउथ अफ्रीका। फिनिक्स आश्रम की इन्होंने स्थापना, फोनिक्स या फिनिक्स आश्रम जो है साउथ अफ्रीका डरबन में इन्होंने कब करा था, 1904। फर्स्ट यूजेस ऑफ सत्याग्रह 1906, 1906 इन साउथ अफ्रीका। फर्स्ट टाइम जेल 1908, एंड यहाँ पर देखेंगे और इनके बारे में। चलिए, फर्स्ट Stabilize of first Tolstoy farm. So correct, 1910 in Johannesburg, South Africa. Arrival of Gandhi in India, 9 January 1915. And stabilize of the Sabarmati Ashram, 1915. And his stay in Africa, 21 years. Autobiography, My Experiment with Truth, 1925. Principles, Truth and Non-Violence, Establishment of the All Indian Khadi Board 1923, President of the Indian National Congress, so Belgaum session of Congress in 1925 in Karnataka, very important. All Indian Spinners Association 23 सितंबर 1924 में इन्होंने अखिल भारतीय चरखा संघ की स्थापना की। फेमस बुक्स, माई एक्सपेरिमेंट विद ट्रुथ, इनकी ऑटोबायोग्राफी आत्मकथा है। एंड हिंद स्वराज 1919, इंडिया ऑफ माई ड्रीम्स, ये भी इन्हीं की पुस्तक है। एंड सत्याग्रह इन साउथ अफ्रीका, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। एंड प्रोमिनेंट याद रखना है, द ग्रीन पैम्पलेट, 14 अगस्त 1896, इनके समाचार पत्र जो थे, न्यूज़पेपर्स। इंडियन ओपिनियन 1903 साउथ अफ्रीका, यंग इंडिया 1919 एंड हरिजन 1932। इंपॉर्टेंट टाइटल्स ऑफ महात्मा गांधी, वन मैन आर्मी, किसने कहा था इनको, कौन बोलता था वन मैन आर्मी, सो ध्यान रखना है लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन। महात्मा रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर। बापू कह के कौन पुकारता था इन्हें, बापू कहते थे CF एंड्रयूज एंड जवाहरलाल नेहरू। एंटी नेशनल फकीर, एंटी नेशनल यानी कि देशद्रोही फकीर, विस्टन चर्चिल। एंड हाफ नेक्ड फकीर भी विस्टन चर्चिल ने कहा। किंग ऑफ बेगर्स किंग ऑफ बेगार्स इनको किसने कहा था, सुभाष चंद्र बोस। केशर ए हिंद ड्यूरिंग, इनको जो केशर ए हिंद ड्यूरिंग फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर, सर्जेंट टू इंडक्ट ड्यूरिंग फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर। एंड नेक्स्ट आपको ध्यान रखना है, भर्ती करने वाला सार्जेंट इनको कहा था। फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर में केशर हिंद की उपाधि ने दी गई थी। एंड कुली बैरिस्टर ब्रिटिश मजिस्ट्रेट ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका। एंड कर्मवीर एसोसिएट्स इन साउथ अफ्रीका, दक्षिण अफ्रीका के सहयोगी। सेंट ऑफ सेवाग्राम, गेस्ट ऑफ गांधी आश्रम विजिटर्स, आश्रम के अतिथियों के द्वारा कहा गया। एंड मलंग बाबा किसने कहा? कब ट्राइबल्स ऑफ नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न इंडिया, यानी कि कबालियों के द्वारा कहा गया। डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद कॉल गांधी एज अजात शत्रु ऑफ मॉडर्न एरा। ये गांधी जी के बारे में और भी चीजें देखते हैं। व्हेन डिड महात्मा गांधी रिटर्न from South Africa 1915, who called Gandhiji as Mahatma for the first time? Rabindranath Tagore, who was a close friend of Mahatma Gandhi during the freedom struggle. बताओ भाई, Reverend Charlie Adius Dinbandhu. Where is uh, where is Phoenix Farm situated? Durban, South Africa. Who was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? Gopal Krishna Gokhale during the freedom struggle. An ashram was made by Gandhi in Sabarmati, which is known as Satyagraha Ashram. Very important. प्रोमिनेंट आश्रम ऑफ गांधी, गांधी के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है आश्रम है, जैसे फिनिक्स डरबन साउथ अफ्रीका 1904 स्टेबलाइज। एंड टॉलेस्टॉय फार्म्स जोहानबर्ग साउथ अफ्रीका 1910। साबरमती आश्रम साबरमती रिवर अहमदाबाद 1915। सत्याग्रह सत्याग्रह कोचरब अहमदाबाद 1915। अनाशक्ति आश्रम कोशानी उत्तराखंड 1929। एंड सेवाग्राम वर्धा महाराष्ट्र 1936। हु वॉज द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू स्टेज सत्याग्रह इन द फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल? महात्मा गांधी। And when Gandhi participated in the session of Indian National Congress for the first time 1901. What does Gandhi mean by non-violence way of attainment of truth? Who said that vestige of foreign clothes in the best treatment of these clothes? Mahatma Gandhi. Who was a textile businessman, banker, congressman, and a close associate of Gandhi? Jamnalal Bazar. After returning from South Africa in 1915, very important, Gandhi started his first satyagraha in 1970 against the exploitation of farmers in Champaran. नेक्स्ट यहाँ पर देखेंगे बेटा, ये आपका जो इधर का दे रखा है इसे अभी देखते हैं। बट क्वेश्चन, विच मैगजीन वॉज पब्लिश बाय महात्मा गांधी इन साउथ अफ्रीका? इंडियन ओपिनियन। हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक अनटू दिस लास्ट? जॉन रश्किन। हु वॉज द फर्स्ट टू एड्रेस महात्मा गांधी एज अ राष्ट्रपिता? सुभाष चंद्र बोस। आफ्टर विच मोमेंट वॉज महात्मा एडेड बिफोर गांधीज नेम? आफ्टर चंपारण सत्याग्रह। Who said the light has gone out of our life at the death of Mahatma Gandhi? Jawaharlal Nehru. Mahadev Desai was Gandhi's personal secretary and often referred as Gandhi's boss whale. Desai was arrested on 9th August 1942 and detained in Aga Khan Place, Pune, alongside Gandhi, where he died of हार्ट अटैक। ये आपको ध्यान रखना है। एंड नेक्स्ट यहाँ पर हम देखो भाई, इधर देख लेते हैं, मेजर रिवॉल्यूशन मूवमेंट अंडरटेकन बाय गांधी। चंपारण सत्याग्रह है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, 1917। इंडिया फर्स्ट सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ऑन presence of Rajkumar Shukla, Gandhi arrived at Champaran, Bihar on 10th April 1917 and opposed Tinkatia system, under which the farms were obligatory अपॉन 15% ऑफ दियर लैंड फॉर इंडिगो कल्टिवेट। इंडिगो मतलब होता है जो नील की खेती होती थी ना, तो वो कहते थे कि आप 3/20 के 20 में से 3 भाग पर आपको क्या करना है, नील की खेती करनी। नेक्स्ट, अहमदाबाद मील स्ट्राइक इन 1918, फर्स्ट हंगर स्ट्राइक ऑफ महात्मा गांधी इन इंडिया। खेड़ा सत्याग्रह 1918, फर्स्ट पीजेंट सत्याग्रह ऑफ इंडिया। एंड नेक्स्ट आपका खिलाफत मूवमेंट इन 1919, गांधी अंडरटूक इट इज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू यूनाइट हिंदूज एंड मुस्लिम अगेंस्ट कॉलोनियल रेग। तो यहाँ पर ध्यान रखना है, बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है आपका खिलाफत। एंड नेक्स्ट, नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट 1920 अगेंस्ट किसके अगेंस्ट था, रिवोल्ट एक्ट, फर्स्ट ऑर्गेनाइज्ड पैन इंडिया मूवमेंट। सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट 1930 इनिशिएटेड बाय सल्ट सत्याग्रह, डांडी मार्च। इंडिविजुअल सत्याग्रह 1940, दिल्ली चलो मूवमेंट। क्वाइट इंडिया मूवमेंट 1942, लास्ट पैन इंडिया मूवमेंट अगेन ब्रिटिश, हाईली unorganized. Aga Khan Place in Yerbada jail of Pune was constructed by Sultan Muhammad Shah Aga Khan II in 1892. सो गाइस, ये आप लोगों ने देखा महात्मा गांधी जी के बारे में कंप्लीटली। अब यहाँ से देखो, महात्मा गांधी जी से बेटा कोई भी एग्जाम दे दो आप, वनडे का अगर क्वेश्चन पूछेगा सो एक भी क्वेश्चन बाहर नहीं जाएगा, गारंटी। सो रॉलेट एक्ट एंड जेल कौन सा, जलियावाला बाग massacre. So what was the main objective of revolt act passed during the British rule in 1919? So suppression of revolutionaries, यानी कि क्रांतिकारियों का दमन। An extension of the Defense of Indian Regulation Act 1915 was passed in March 1919. It was officially called as the Anarchical and Revolutionary Crimes Act 1990. Popularly known as Rowlatt Act, it was headed by the British Sir Sydney Revolt, and to investigate the seditious conspiracy of the Indian people. So, who was the Viceroy of India when Revolt Act was passed? Lord Chelmsford. Which act was known as the Black Act, Rowlatt Act, and who started a nationwide satyagraha against Rowlatt Act? Mahatma Gandhi. On 13 April 1919, two nationalist leaders, Saifuddin Kichlu and Dr. Satyapal, were arrested without any provocation except that they had addressed protest meeting and were taken to unknown destination. This happened to be Baisakhi, and people from nearby village also came to celebrate Baisakhi. The troops, Brigadier General Dyer, blocked the only exit point and opened fire the unarmed crowd. This became infamous as Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. बहुत ही ज़्यादा दुखद घटना थी, और इसमें जो ऑफिशियली कहा गया कि 1000 लोग मारे, इस सुनने से ही इतना मतलब रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते हैं। तो हमारे जो जिन्होंने हमारे लिए लड़ा है, तो सोचो ना उनका क्या हाल हुआ होगा उस टाइम पर। सो इन्होंने ऑफिशियली कहा था कि 1000 लोग मारे गए, लेकिन वो 1000 नहीं, वो हज़ारों में थे। सो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, और स्टार्ट करते हैं यहाँ पर बाकी आगे के क्वेश्चन। हो renounced his knighthood after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Rabindranath Tagore, who resigned from the Executive Council of the Viceroy after the Jallianwala Bagh incident, K. Shankar Nair, and which committee was constituted to took into the wrongs of Jallianwala Bagh Hunter Commission, and who shot General Dyer in London, Udham Singh. Next, who suggested not to pay taxes in support of revolt against Revolt Act, Swami Shraddhanand, in which act was a law of habeas corpus short to be suspended Rowlatt Act, which incident preceded the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Rowlatt Act. When did the fateful event of Jallianwala Bagh massacre happen? 13 अप्रैल 1919। एक बार सारे बच्चे जो भी वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़फुल है। स्लोली स्लोली मैं करा रही हूँ, आप इसे ज़रूर शेयर कीजिए, एग्ज़ाम के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट। The Indian National Congress appointed its own non-official committee, then included Motilal Nehru, C.R. Das, Abbas Taibji, M.R. Jaikar, and Gandhi. This view criticized Dyer's Act as inhuman and said there was no justification, no. The introductions of martial law in Punjab. सो जलियांवाला बाग हत्याकांड की जांच के लिए मदन मोहन मालवीय की अध्यक्षता में एक कमेटी गठित होती है। मोतीलाल नेहरू, सी आर दास, बद्रुद्दीन तैयबजी, एम आर जयकर क्या थे इसमें शामिल होते हैं। सो प्रोमिनेंट इंसिडेंट ऑफ इंडियन फ्रीडम मूवमेंट क्रोनोलॉजी यहाँ पर देखते हैं। सो 1885 फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस बाय A.O. Hume, 1905 Swadeshi Andolan in opposed to partition of Bengal, and 1906 formation of Muslim League, very important है बेटा जितना भी करा रही हूँ, and 1907 Surat split, rift between moderates and extremists, 1909 Minto Marley reforms Indian Council Act, 1911 Delhi Darbar, coronation of King George V, annulment of partition of Bengal, transfer of capital from Kolkata to Delhi, very very important, 1911, 1916 home rule movement, April 1916 Tilak, and 19 September 1917 Annie Besant, 1919 Jallianwala Bagh massacre, revolt act, Khilafat agitation, 1920 launch of non-cooperation movement, 1922 Chori Chora incident, suspension of non-cooperative cooperation movement, 1929 declaration of Puran Swaraj Lahore session, Purna Swaraj and complete Swaraj and Lahore session in Lahore session, 1935 Passage of Government of India Act, 1929 resignation of Congress minister after month, 1937 election and oppose of Second World War, 22nd December 1939 observation of Day of Deliverance. Next, 1942 Quit India movement launched. So the report of the Hunter Committee, when it came out, struck Gandhi, struck Gandhi as little better than thinly guided whitewash. इन्होंने गांधी जी को पन्ने दर पन्ने निर्लज सरकारी लीपापोती की संज्ञा दी हंटर कमीशन की रिपोर्ट में। सो जहां ब्रिटिशर्स होंगे तो वहां न्याय तो क्या मिलेगा, है ना। So next, non-cooperation and Khilafat movements. What was the major cause of Khilafat movement in India? Abolition of Khalifa by England. When was the president of All India Khilafat Committee in 1919? Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was requested in Allahabad during Khilafat Committee to start the non-cooperation movement in 1920. Who was the major leader of Khilafat movement? Shaukat Ali, Muhammad Ali, Hakim Azmal Khan, H. Mohani. When was the first non-cooperation movement started in India? 11 August 1920. who proposed the non-cooperation movement at the Nagaur session of Indian National Congress, C.R. Das. Mahatma Gandhi renounced his title of Keshari-Hind during the non-cooperation movement. What was a major consequence of a non-cooperation movement of 1920 Hindu-Muslim unity, which was the first mass government by Mahatma Gandhi non-cooperation movement? Hoover wrote, Hoover wrote the burning of foreign clothes by Mahatma Gandhi as ruthless vestige. Rabindranath Tagore. The incident of Chori Chora happened in Gorakhpur on 5th February 1922. Very important. After which non-cooperation movement was withdrawn by Gandhi. Where was Gandhi during the incident of Chori Chora Bardoli? When did the non-cooperation movement stop? 1922. And who gave up his practice as a lawyer during the non-cooperation movement? Chitranjan Das. When did Gandhi gave the slogan of Swaraj during non-cooperation movement? Slogan of Swaraj. Next, when did non-cooperative movement stop? In 1922. Many lawyers gave up their practice. Some of them were Motilal Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru, C.R. Das, C. Rajgopalacharya, सैफुद्दीन किचलू, वल्लभ भाई पटेल, अशरफ अली, टी प्रकाशम एंड राजेंद्र प्रसाद। इन्होंने अपनी वकालत, अपनी प्रैक्टिस को छोड़ा था असहयोग आंदोलन के समय। स्वराज पार्टी लाहौर सेशन एंड पूर्ण स्वराज कंप्लीट स्वराज हु स्टेबलाइज द स्वराज पार्टी सी आर दास एंड मोतीलाल नेहरू. The Swaraj Party was established in March 1923. C.R. Das became its president and Motilal Nehru became its general secretary, who resigned from the post of president of Congress to establish Swaraj Party. C.R. Das, who is famous as Deshbandhu, so C.R. Das. After the failure of which movement was the Swaraj Party formed a non-cooperation movement, Asayog Andolan, which pact was signed between C.R. Das, Mahatma Gandhi, and Motilal Nehru on November 1925, Gandhi Das Pact. Next, Vittal Bhai Patel was appointed as the first Indian chairman of Central Legislative Assembly. Very important. Who was the president of the Lahore session of the Congress in December 1929? Jawaharlal Nehru. In which year was the resolution of Purna Swaraj, Complete Swaraj passed by the Congress? 1929. When was complete Independence Day celebrated by Congress? 26 January 1930. On the midnight of 31st December 1929, the chairman of the Congress, Jawaharlal Nehru, unfurled the Indian flag as a symbol of Indian independence. Very important. In which session of the Congress was the Nehru report cancelled? Lahore session. And an all India hurtle was held when Prince of Wales visited India on 17 November 21. So Gandhi Irwin Pact and राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। बच्चे जो टॉपिक आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आई हूँ ना, उन टॉपिक्स आपको पूरे दिमाग में छाप लेने हैं, ये याद रखना। when was the Gandhi Irwin Pact signed? 5th March 1931. Which movement was withdrawn after the Gandhi Irwin Pact civil disobedience movement? Dandi March. In which roundtable conference did the Congress participated? Second roundtable conference. Mahatma Gandhi went to participate in the second round table conference from Bombay to London in the ship named SS Rajputana and stayed at State and Kingsley Hall. Who was the representative of Indian National Congress and second roundtable conference? Mahatma Gandhi. Which Indian leader participated in the first roundtable conference? Maulana Muhammad Ali. So first roundtable conference 12 November 1930 to 19 January 1931. Second roundtable 7 September 1931 to 1st December 1931 and third roundtable conference 17 November 1932 से लेकर के 24 दिसंबर 1932 तक ये हुई थी. Why did the second roundtable conference failed on communal representation? Who proposed the resolution on fundamental rights and national economic program in Kranchi session on 1931? Jawaharlal Nehru. Which Indian participated in all the three roundtable conference? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So next question आप यहाँ पर देखेंगे. Who was the representative of Indian Christians in the Round Table Conference? So K.T. Paul. K.T. Paul is correct answer. ईसाइयों का प्रतिनिधित्व किया था. Winston Churchill called Mahatma Gandhi as the half-necked fakir in the second Round Table Conference. And Tej Bahadur played as an important role in the signing of Gandhi-Irvin Pact. Which Indian participated in all the three? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who called Gandhi and Irvin as two? Mahatma. Sarojini Naidu. Communal Award and Pune Pact. Who announced Communal Award? Ramsay MacDonald. उस टाइम पर ये ब्रिटिश पीएम थे. ऑन अगस्त 16 1932 द ब्रिटिश प्राइम मिनिस्टर रैमजे मैकडोनाल्ड अनाउंस द कम्युनल अवार्ड सांप्रदायिक पंचायत which provided for separate electorates for the depressed classes, the Muslim, the Europeans, the Sikh, Anglo-Indians and the Indian-based Christian. When did Gandhi won the indefinite fast for the first time? 16 August 1932 against communal award. Which class was associated with Pune Pact? Depressed class. Which pact was signed between Gandhi and B.R. Ambedkar? Pune Pact. How many seats were given for Dalits and communal awards and Pune Pact? 71 and 148 respectively. Who made the remarks in contact to Gandhi? History tells that Mahatmas like fleeting phantoms raise dust but raise no level. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. महात्मा गांधी क्षणिक भूत की भांति धूल उठाते हैं लेकिन स्तर नहीं, ये कहा था. All India Untouchability League was established by Mahatma Gandhi after Pune Pact in 1932, which was later renamed as Harijan Sevak Sangh. Ghanshyam Das Bidla was at its first chairman. Next, which institutions was established as Mahatma Gandhi after the Pune Pact for the upliftment of Dalit? Harijan Sevak Sangh, who established Independent Labour Party in 1936. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, who addressed Dalit as Harijan for the first time. Mahatma Gandhi. And Sarojini Naidu referred M.K. Gandhi and Lord Irwin as the two Mahatma. And next, which act was signed between Gandhi and B.R. Ambedkar? Pune Pact, very important. Scheduled Caste Federation was established by B.R. Ambedkar in 1944. Next, provincial election and formation of cabinet. By the provisions of which act the provincial election in of 1937 were conducted? The Government of India Act 1935. In how many states did the Congress won by majority in the provincial election 1937? 5. The Congress made government in 7 out of 11 provinces. In Punjab and Muslim League and the Unionist Party formed a coalitions government. In Bengal, the Krishak Praja Party led by Fazul Haq along with Muslim League formed the coalition government. For how much time did the Congress rule in the states after the provincial election of 1937? 28 months. And next, who was the president of the Indian National Congress at the Haripura session, Gujarat? 1939, Subhash Chandra Bose. 1937, provincial election and related facts. Assam, Mohammad Shadullah. Bihar, Shri Krishna Sinha. बंगाल आपको ध्यान रखना है, फजलुल हक. ओडिशा, केसी ओडिशा, केसी गजापति. नॉर्थ वेस्ट प्रोविंस, अबुल जब्बर खान. यूनाइटेड प्रोविंस, जेपी पंत. सेंट्रल प्रोविंस, एनबी खरे. बॉम्बे, बीजी खेर. मद्रास, सी राजगोपालाचार्य. सिंधे, जीएच हृदयलाल. क्या था? जीएच हिदायतुल्लाह अल्लाह बख्श. पंजाब, सिकंदर हयात खान. सो नेक्स्ट आप लोग यहाँ पर देखेंगे, क्वेश्चन है आप लोगों का, in the presidential election of which Congress session did Subhash Chandra Bose defeated Pattabhi Sitaramayya, Tripuri session 1938, Madhya Pradesh, who became the president of the Indian National Congress after the resignation of Subhash Chandra Bose, Rajendra Prasad. In order to seek support from the Congress for India's participations in Second World War, Lord Linlithgow proposed an offer on 8 August 1940. So, August offer, 8 August 1940, known as the August offer. And who was the organizer of All India Congress Socialist Party in 1934? Jayaprakash Narayan. Which political party was established by the Subhash Chandra Bose after resigning from Congress in 1939? Very important, Forward Bloc. Jayaprakash Narayan, also known as Loknayak, established the Bihar Socialist Party, who was the finance minister in the newly formed cabinet of Central Province, Rafi Ahmad Kidwai. Who was the major leader of Congress Socialist Party? Acharya Narendra Dev. Where was the first session of the Congress Socialist Party held? Patna, 1934. Ram Manohar Lohia published a journal named Congress Socialist. Communist Party of India and Congress Socialist Party. So Communist Party of India, ध्यान रखना है आप लोगों को. मानवेंद्र नाथ रॉय, नरेंद्र नाथ Bhattacharya is credited to be the founder of the communist movement in India. He attended the Second Congress of Communist International in Russia and founded the Emerged Communist Party of India on 17 October 1920 at Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Thereafter, the Communist Party of India was formed on 26 December 1925 at the first party conference in Kanpur with S.V. Ghate as its first general secretary. Very important. So next, Congress Socialist Party CSP was a socialist group within the Indian National Congress INC, founded in 1934 and by socialists such as Jayaprakash Narayan and Acharya Narendra Dev. All India Forward Bloc on 3rd May 1939, Subhash Chandra Bose formed the All India Forward Bloc at Makur, Unnao, Uttar Pradesh. The announcement came at a rally held at Calcutta when Bose showed his ideologically disagreement with Indian National Congress. Consequently, Bose became the first president of the All India Forward Bloc, and SS Kevashir Kevashir became the vice president. So very important. So ये आप लोगों को यहाँ पर ध्यान रखना है. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर एंड डिमांड ऑफ ए पाकिस्तान. सबसे पहले चार्ट देखते हैं। डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर सितंबर 1939, रेजिग्नेशन ऑफ कांग्रेस मिनिस्टर अक्टूबर नवंबर 1939, अगस्त ऑफर 8 अगस्त 1940, एंड फिर आता है इंडिविजुअल सत्याग्रह 17 अक्टूबर 1940, क्रिप्स मिशन मार्च 1942, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट स्टार्ट होता है इंडिया में अक्टूबर 1942, वेबल प्लान 1945 में आता है, कैबिनेट मिशन प्लान मई 1946, एंड फाइनली फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इंटरिम गवर्नमेंट एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूंट असेंबली, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। वह आपसे पूछ लेगा कि अगस्त प्रसाद कब आया था, है ना, और सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर डिक्लेरेशन कब हुआ था, क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट कब स्टार्ट हुआ, क्रिप्स मिशन कब आया, इंडिविजुअल सत्याग्रह कब स्टार्ट हुआ, कैबिनेट मिशन कब आया, वेबल योजना कब हुई, तो इस तरीके से क्वेश्चन बनता है। ये आप लोगों को ध्यान रखना। व्हेन डिड द इंडिविजुअल सत्याग्रह स्टार्टेड, 17 अक्टूबर 1940। व्हेन डिड द सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर स्टार्टेड, 1 सितंबर 1939। Who was the Viceroy of India when the Second World War? Lord Linlithgow. When did this Viceroy, Lord Linlithgow, announced India against Germany in World War II on 17 October 1939? When India was included in the Second World War without the consent of the Indian cabinet, all the minister of the cabinet resigned after 28 months of their rule. Next, when did Muslim League celebrate Mukti Divas or Day of Deliverance? When the Congress resigned from the cabinet 22 December 1939. Who was the Prime Minister of Britain during Second World War? Winston Churchill. What was the strategy of Indian National Congress during World War II? Cooperating Britain in the hope of complete independence. Who demanded who demanded a Muslim nation in the Allahabad session of the Muslim League in 1930? Muhammad Iqbal. Who used the word Pakistan for the first time in 1933? Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, very important. Who was the main objective of starting individual satyagraha in the revolt against August offer and participation India in the World War II? Who was the pioneer of individual satyagraha? Mahatma Gandhi. Who was chosen by Mahatma Gandhi as the first individual satyagraha? Vinoba Bhave. Who was chosen by Mahatma Gandhi as the second individual satyagrahi? Jawaharlal Nehru, who said that Nehru was a patriot while Jinnah was a politician? Muhammad Iqbal. Major historical events and related Viceroy. Viceroy, Governor General. साइमन कमीशन 1927 established, 1928 इंडिया में आता है लॉर्ड इरविन के टाइम पर। कम्युनल अवार्ड 1932, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, लॉर्ड वेलिंगटन। अगस्त ऑफर 1940, लॉर्ड लिनलिथगो। क्रिप्स मिशन 1942, लिनलिथगो। वेबल प्लान 1945, लॉर्ड वेबल। कैबिनेट मिशन 1946, लॉर्ड वेबल। माउंटबेटन प्लान 1947, लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन। Balkan Plan 1947, Lord Mountbatten. Muhammad Ali Jinnah demanded a separate Muslim country, Pakistan, in the Lahore session of Muslim League in March 1940. In which session of the Muslim League was the demand for Pakistan accepted? Lahore session of 1940. Who prepared the outlay of Pakistan offer? Sikandar Hayat Khan. When did Muslim League celebrated Pakistan Day? 23rd March 1940. When was the August offer made by Britain? 8 August 1940. The word Sarvodaya was used by Mahatma Gandhi for the first time, and Sarvodaya Society was established by Vinoba Bhave. पूछता है कि सबसे पहले सर्वोदय शब्द का यूज किसने किया? महात्मा गांधी ने। और सर्वोदय समाज, सर्वोदय सोसाइटी की स्थापना किसने की थी? विनोबा भावे ने की थी। क्रिप्स मिशन एंड क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट। क्रिप्स मिशन एंड क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट. When was the Cripps Mission announced as a measure of constitutional proposal? March 1942. And when did the Quit India movement started? 8 August 1942. Mahatma Gandhi gave the slogan of "Do or Die" during Quit India movement, while Yusuf Meher Ali is credited for coining the slogans "Do or Die" and "Simon Go Back." रियल में जो है ना, वास्तविक का इसका जो है वो है यूसुफ मेहर अली. सो नेक्स्ट है, हु वाज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द कांग्रेस व्हेन द क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट वाज स्टार्टेड? मौलाना अबुल कलाम आजाद. हु वाज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ ब्रिटेन ड्यूरिंग क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट? विंस्टन चर्चिल. विच अमेरिकन जर्नलिस्ट accompanied Mahatma Gandhi during Quit India movement? Lawrence Fisher. Next, what is Operation Zero Hour related to? Arrest of Gandhi. Arrest of Gandhi, other leader during Quit India movement. And Cripps mission was sent to seek the support from Indian nationalists. There was pressure on Britain from the Allies, USA, USSR, China, to seek Indian cooperation because of the reverse suffered by Britain in Southeast Asia. Also, the Japanese threat to invade India seemed real, and India's support became crucial. The main proposals of the mission were as follows. So यहाँ पर देख लेते हैं भाई मिशन क्या था, follows क्या पर्पस थे. So first, an Indian union with a dominion state would be set up. It would be great to participate in the United States and other international bodies. ठीक है. After the end of the war, a constituent assembly would be convened. The frame a new constitution's member of this assembly would be partially elected by the provincial assemblies through proportional representations and party nominated by the princes. Third, the British government would accept the new constitution subject to condition. Any province not willing to join the union could have a separate constitutions and form a separate union. And the new constitution making body and the British government would negotiate a treaty to affect the transfer of power and to a safeguard racial and religious minorities. In the meantime, defense of India would remain in British hand, and the Governor General's power would remain intact. And who was the Prime Minister of Britain during Quit India movement? Winston Churchill. Which American journalist accompanied, accompanied Mahatma Gandhi during Quit India movement? Louis Fisher. What is Operation Zero Hour related to arrest of Gandhi and other leader during Quit India movement? Where was Gandhi kept after he was arrested during the Quit India movement? Aga Khan Police, Pune. Who escaped from the jail to organize underground activist Jaiprakash Narayan? Where was Dr. Rajendra Prasad taken after his arrest? बांकीपुर जेल है ना, बांकीपुर. The main personalities taking up underground activist during Quit India movement were Ram Manohar Lohia, Jaiprakash Narayan, Aruna Asaf Ali, Usha Mehta, Biju Patnaik एंड आपको और कौन थे भाई इसमें? छट्टू पुरनीक, अच्युत पटवर्धन एंड सुचेता कृपलानी एंड आर पी गोयनका. ये जो थे क्या थे उस टाइम पर? अंडरग्राउंड थे. एंड हु स्टेबलाइज्ड ए पैरेलल गवर्नमेंट इन बालिया? चित्तू पांडे. एंड when was the जातीय सरकार established in Midnapur district of West Bengal? 1942. What is the other name of Quit India movement? Agast Revolt, Agast Kranti. Lord Linlithgow 1936 to 1944 referred Gandhi's movement as a form of political blackmails. Bengal witnessed its worst famine 1943. महात्मा गांधी कॉल द क्रिप्स मिशन एज ए पोस्ट डेटेड चेक। भाई कान खोल कर सुन लेना, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बाद में मत कहना। यहीं से क्वेश्चन आते हैं, इसको अच्छे से तैयार कर लो और फिर बताओ भी बाकी भी आपको सब्जेक्ट चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए। वेयर वॉज द प्रपोजल ऑफ क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट पास्ड बाय द कांग्रेस वर्किंग कमेटी, वर्धा, मुंबई। Under whose leadership was the Quit India movement operated? Mahatma Gandhi. In July in July 1942, the Congress Working Committee met at the Varda and resolved that it would authorize Gandhi to take charge of the non-violent mass movement. The resolution, generally referred as the Quit India Resolution, purposed by Jawaharlal Nehru and seconded by Sardar Patel. It was approved by the All India Congress Committee meeting in Bombay in August. The Quit India movement was ratified at the Congress meeting at Gwalior Tank, Bombay on 8 August 1942। ग्वालियर टैंक में जो है इसकी वार्षिक बैठक हुई थी, ये आपको ध्यान रखना है। सो भाई ये आप लोगों का हो चुका है। नेक्स्ट, इंडियन नेशनल आर्मी वेबल प्लान एंड INA ट्रायल्स, नौसेना विद्रोह। सो यहाँ पर when was Indian National Army established? 1942. Who gave the idea of Indian National Army? Mohan Singh. Who was given the leadership of Indian National Army by Ras Bihari Bose in July 1943? Subhash Chandra Bose. Where was the temporary army recognized by Subhash Chandra Bose? Singapore. Where? Singapore. A women regiment was constituted by Subhash Chandra Bose as Rani Lakshmi Bai Regiment. The other three brigades were named as Subhash Brigade, Nehru Brigade, Gandhi Brigade, and Azad Brigade. INA trials between March and June 1944. INA was in action on Indian soil, besieging Imphal, Manipur, along with Japanese troops. In a campaign which ended in total failure, the Japanese collapsed in 1942. Made the INA man prisoners again, while Bose mysteriously disappeared, allegedly killed in air crash. In November 1945, a British moved to put the INA man on trial at Red Fort. New Delhi immediately sparked off massive demonstrations all over the country. Colonel Prem Sehgal, Colonel Gurbaksh Singh Dhillon, and Major General Shah Nawaz Khan, who had been taken prisoners of war, Singapore, were charged of waging war against the King Emperor. A Congress defense team, including भूला भाई देसाई, अशरफ अली, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, तेज बहादुर सप्रू, कैलाश नाथ काटजू, and Lieutenant Colonel Horilal Verma defended the INA prisoners. Who was representative of Congress in Shimla conference to think about Wavell plan? Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Who was member of Indian National Congress continuously for 6 years? Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Who was chairman of Save Indian National Army Committee in case against Indian National Army? So correct, Bhula Bhai Desai. Which country assisted in Andaman and Nicobar campaign of Subhash Chandra Bose, Japan? What was the new name of Andaman and Nicobar given by Subhash Chandra Bose? Sahid Island and Swaraj Island, respectively. Very important. On 6 July 1944, Subhash Chandra Bose addressed Mahatma Gandhi as father of nation. Very important. किसने कहा था? Subhash Chandra Bose ने कहा. From the Azad Hind radio, he asked for Gandhi's blessing for India's last war of independence. So next, who made an army called as the Free Indian Legion? Subhash Chandra Bose, Berlin, 1941. who gave the slogan of Chalo Delhi, Jai Hind, and give me blood, I will give your freedom. Subhash Chandra Bose. And next, when is the Indian National Army Day celebrated 12 November 1945. So next, which who gave the slogan of Desh Nayak to Subhash Chandra Bose, Ravindranath Tagore, and which Viceroy forgave accused of Indian National Army Lord Bevell, who presented CR formula in 1944 AD, Siraj Gopalachari. When Bevell plan was presented to end deadlock in Indian politics, 14 June 1945. The rating surrendered on 28 February 1946 due persuasion of Sardar Patel. Royal Indian Navy mutiny, the winter of 1945 and 46 saw three valiant upsurges in Calcutta in November 1945 over the Aine trials. In February 1946 at Calcutta over the sentencing of Aine officer Rashid Ali on 18 February 1946, Bombay rating under HMIS Talwar went for strike. It was immediately after his revolt that PM Clement Attlee dispatched the cabinet mission to India. So it is also inferred that the mutiny hastened the process of transfer of power to India. So next, cabinet mission, constitutions assembly, and formation of interim government. सो एक बार सभी लोग वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा और उसके बाद हमारा क्या कौन सा चैप्टर बचेगा, भारत का विभाजन और स्वतंत्रता से रिलेटेड. Which parliamentary mission party was constituted by British Prime Minister Clement Attlee for dialogue with Indian leader cabinet mission? When did the cabinet mission reach India? 24th March 1946. Lord Patrick Lawrence was the chairman of cabinet mission. The cabinet mission was constituted of three-member visa. The Lord Patrick Lawrence, the Secretary of State of India, Sir Stafford Cripps, the President of the Board of Trade, and A.V. Alexander, First Lord of Admiralty. Who was chairman of Indian National Congress at the time of arrival of cabinet mission? Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Who was Viceroy of India at arrival of cabinet mission? Lord Wavell. Which Congress leader fully supported the cabinet mission? Mahatma Gandhi. Constituent Assembly election were held in August 1946 as per as the provisions of Cabinet Mission Plan for 296 seats. Originally 389, provincial seats 292, seats of princely state 93, seat of chief election Chief Commissioners Province 4. Winning seats distribution is given below. INC Indian National Congress 208, Muslim League 73, and Independent Other 15. Who was elected as permanent chairman of the Constituent Assembly after second session on 11 December 1946, Rajendra Prasad, who was invited to form interim government by Lord Wavell, Jawaharlal Nehru, who were elected as the vice president of the Constituent Assembly, S.C. Mukherjee and V.T. Krishnamachari. Very important. एंड नेक्स्ट आप लोगों का यहाँ पर है विच कांग्रेस लीडर फुली सपोर्टेड द कैबिनेट मिशन? महात्मा गांधी. When did the five member of Muslim League, including Liaquat Ali, participated in Constituent Assembly 26 October 1946, who was appointed as the constitutional advisor of Constituent Assembly? P.N. Rao. Very important. Major provisions of cabinet mission: unity among Indians must be mentioned. Demand of Pakistan by Muslim League should be rejected. India will be a union in which British states and provincial states will be included. Constituent Assembly will be formed in which representative of a state and legislative assembly and princely state will be included. When and Direct Action Day was launched by the Muslim League after accepting Cabinet Mission Plan 16 August 1946. Where and When did Gandhiji visit the riots hit area in order to restore peace and communal harmony? Now Noakhali, present Bangladesh, 1946. So interim government, pre-independence members and department. So यहाँ पर देखेंगे आप Jawaharlal Nehru Working Committee, Foreign Affairs and Commonwealth Relations, and Vallabhbhai Patel, Home Affairs, Information, Broadcasting, and Provincial Relations, and Baldev Singh, Defense Minister, John Mathai, Industry and Supplies, and C. Rajgopalachari, Education and Art Minister, C. H. Bhabha, Ports, Mines and Power Minister, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Food and Agriculture Department, Ashraf Ali, Railway and Transport Department, Jagjeevan Ram, Labor Department, Liaquat Ali Khan, Finance Department, Abdur Rab Nishtar, Ports and Air, II Chandigarh, Commerce, एंड नेक्स्ट आप लोगों का था यहाँ पर कौन सा गजनाफर अली खान जो थे, इनका था हेल्थ मिनिस्टर, एंड जोगिंदर नाथ मंडल, लॉ डिपार्टमेंट। वैन एंड डायरेक्ट एक्शन डे आपको बता दिया है। वेयर एंड व्हेन डिड गांधी जी विजिट द, ये भी हो गया है। विच टाइटल वाज गिवन टू गांधी जी बाय लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन आफ्टर सीइंग हिज डिक्रेशन एंड करेज, वन मैन बाउंड्री, on the basis of the provisions of which mission to Constituent Assembly was formed, Cabinet Mission 1946. When first session of Constituent Assembly was held, 9 December 1946, and who was elected as temporary chairman of the Constituent Assembly on 9 December 1946, Dr. Sachidanand Sinha. In October 1946, Muslim majority regions of Noakhali and Tripura, Bengal, witnessed riots as a result of Direct Action Day, 16 August 1946. So next chapter, independence and partitions of India, which British Prime Minister announced to leave India on 15 August 1947, Clement Attlee, who was appointed as Viceroy by Clement uh, Attlee in place of Lord Wavell, Lord Mountbatten. When did Lord Mountbatten presented the plan of transfer of power? 3rd June 1946. Which plan is known as 3rd June plan? Mountbatten plan, also known as a partition plan. Which Muslim nationalist leader did not accept the plan of partition? Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Who was the president of Congress at the time of independence? J.P. Kripalani. So guys, provisions of the Indian Independence Act 1946, part first of the Indian Independence Act 1946 provided for the creation of two independent dominions, India and Pakistan, from 15 August 1947. It defined the territories of the both dominion after the recommendation of the Boundary Commission. Boundary Commission was chaired by Sir Cyril Radcliffe Wall, who was entrusted the task of demarcating the international boundary of India and Pakistan, by which act the Mountbatten Plan was given approval on 18 July 1947 in British Parliament, Indian Independence Act 1947. And Plan Balkan. An alternative plan of transfer of power was devised by the Lord Mountbatten after the failure of the cabinet mission between March and May 1946. The plan was also known as Dickey Bird Plan or SMI plan. So next, this plan was prepared by a committee of General Sir Hastings Esme, Sir George Abel, and Lord Mountbatten himself, and instated on 15-16 April 1946. The main proposal of the plan were: Punjab and Bengal were given the option to vote for partition of their province. All the unites were offered three choice to join Indian, to join Pakistan, to remain independent. नेक्स्ट बाय विच एक्ट यहाँ पर देखते हैं द प्लान वाज क्विकली abandoned abandoned on account of opposition by Nehru. It was termed as Plan Balkan since it suggested by Balkanization of India, and by which act the Mountbatten Plan was given approval on 18 July 1946 in British Parliament, Indian Independence Act 1946. 47. Who was the last Viceroy of India? Lord Mountbatten. Very, very important. Who was the first and last Indian Governor General of Independent India? C. Rajgopalacha. Which prominent leader? The Congress did not participate in the ceremony of Independence Day. Mahatma Gandhi. Who sang the song Jan Man Gan and Sare Jahan Se Acha by Iqbal in Central Assembly on midnight 15 August 1946, M.S. Shubhu Lakshmi. And next, who was chairman of Border Commission formed in 1947 in the context of partition of India? Cyril Radcliffe. In which session of INC the plan of partition of India was accepted? Delhi session. Who was the chairman of the Congress at the time of acceptance proposal of partition? J.B. Kriplani. Who administered the oath to the first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru of India, Lord Mountbatten, who was first Governor General of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and who was made the first chairman of Lok Sabha after the first general election, G.V. Mavalankar, Ganesh Vasudev Mavalankar. Indian Independence Act 1947 was passed at the British Parliament on 18th July 1946. Miscellaneous question: who is known as the Grand Old Man of India? Dadabhai Nehruji. And next question: who started the Ganpati festival and Shivaji festival in Maharashtra? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Sati Chora Ghat incident in modern Indian history is related to 1857 revolt, Kanpur. British squadron was Bridges was associated with which incident? Revolt on 1857 Awadh, Lucknow. Statutory civil service were introduced in 1878 and 1879 by Lord Lytton, who is considered as the father of Indian unrest. Lokmanya Tilak, who was the first Indian to be elected in the British Parliament. Dadabhai Nehruji, who suggested the Congress as a party should be disbanded after the independent. Mahatma Gandhi. After was policy of India and Second World War support to Britain on the condition of full independence. Operation Polo was started for the merger of which Indian state into the Indian Union? Hyderabad. Who was the first non-Congress Prime Minister of independent India? Morarji Desai, 1978. When was Ravindranath Tagore honored with the Nobel Prize for Literature for his book Gitanjali, 1913? Who gave the title of Great Sentinel to Ravindranath Tagore? Mahatma Gandhi. Which famine the British India as known as the Sea of Calamity, Orisha famine 1866, who was the proponent of the policy of non-allied movement? Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the biographer of the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru? Frank Morisa, who is the author of the book Gokhale, My Political Guru? Mahatma Gandhi, who was the government historian of Indian National Congress? Dr. Pattabhi Sitaraman, who was also known as Frontier Gandhi? Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, who is called Government of India Act 1935 as Order Letter of Slavery? Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Indian to be elected in the British Parliament? Dadabhai Nauroji. When did Sannyasi Revolt? 1770. During whose time period was the Third Anglo-Maratha War fought? Lord Warren Hastings. who followed the Gandhi's Dandi March in Kerala, K.K. Kalappan, K.K. Kalappan, Vikom Satyagraha, who used the word Sarvodaya for the first time, Mahatma Gandhi. What was the time period of the second civil disobedience movement, December 1931 to April 1934? Which Congress chairman advocated for the use of a Roman script for Hindi in the speaker's address, Subhash Chandra Bose? When did the Second World War end? 1945. 1945. Which author intellectual was a follower of Jainism in medieval times? Hemchandra Shuri was the Prime Minister of Britain during Second World War. Western Churchill, who advocated the Swadeshi movement in Bengal. Uh, Arvindo Ghosh during civil disobedience movement. Pupil prepared for complete independence by withdrawing as far as possible the voluntary association with the British along with non-payment of taxes. Several several section of the population participated in the movement, like women, student, मर्चेंट एंड ट्रेड्स वर्कर ट्राइबल एंड पीसेंट, इन सभी ने इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करा, इसका समर्थन किया. Constituent Assembly was elected on the basis of limited franchise on July 1946. सो गाइज इंडियन मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री से मैंने कुछ चैप्टर्स को उठाया था और उनको मैंने यहाँ पर कराया है. कुछ स्टार्टिंग इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस से भी कुछ और भी स्टार्टिंग चैप्टर हैं. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं उनको भी कराऊं तो मुझे कमेंट करके बताइएगा, उनको मैं करा दूंगी. और इसके बाद कुछ आपके वन लाइनर्स वैसे बने हुए हैं, बाकी सारी चीज़ें इसमें कवर हो चुकी हैं. सो अगर आप चाहते हैं एक दो चैप्टर्स में और बच गए पीछे से, अगर उनको भी करा दिया जाए तो जल्दी से कमेंट करके बताओ भाई. और इसके बाद कौन सा सब्जेक्ट स्टार्ट करूं वो भी बताओ जल्दी से, बिकॉज अभी ज्योग्राफी भी आप लोगों को कराना है, पॉलिटी भी कराना है, सारी चीज़ें धीरे धीरे कवर हो रही हैं. सो कमेंट करके बताइएगा और सेशन कैसा लगा ज़रूर बताइए. चैनल पर नए हैं सो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच. तो एक बार जल्दी से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा. थैंक यू सो मच.